When the H and L come together in Ndebele, we produce the sound sh. So in this lesson, let me teach you how to pronounce the sound with examples of words and simple sentences that use the sh sound. Okay, so let's start off with this. Hla, hle, hli, hlo, shlu. That's how you make the sh sound. We'll do it again a bit slower. Hla, hle, hli, hlo, shlu. Okay, so let's get into the words. The first word I have for you is isihlahla. Isihlahla, which is a tree. Okay, the next word is hleka. Hleka means laugh. Hleka. Next, hlinza. Hlinza, meaning slaughter. Okay, followed by ihloga. Ihloga. So ihloga is an X. Okay, right. And then lastly, ubuhlungu. Ubuhlungu means pain. Okay, if you were to say ngizwa ubuhlungu, you'd be saying I'm feeling pain. Ngizwa ubuhlungu. All right, so let's get into the verb hleka and let's make up some simple sentences. Okay, so hleka, I've already said it means to laugh. Okay, so if you were to ask the question uhlekani, it means what are you laughing at? Uhlekani. Okay, here is a typical answer. Ngihleka usindiso. I'm laughing at Sindiso. Ngihleka usindiso. Okay, another sentence would be usamukeliso uyahleka. Samukeliso is laughing. Usamukeliso uyahleka. All right, what about this one? Umasibindi uyathanda ukuhleka. This means Masibindi likes to laugh. Okay, enjoys laughing. Umasibindi uyathanda ukuhleka. All right, and then I have this one. Unkala angikaze ngimbone ehleka. Unkala angikaze ngimbone ehleka. I've never seen Nkala laughing. All right, good. I hope you're getting it. So go ahead and use that verb in sentences. Go ahead and make conversation with Ndebele speakers and use hleka in the sentence. Okay, and if you're enjoying this video so far, give it a thumbs up please, and let's continue. All right, then the next verb that I want to teach you is this one, hlinza, which I've already said means to slaughter. Okay, hlinza. All right, here is a sentence for you. Obaba bahlinza inkomo. Obaba bahlinza inkomo. The fathers are slaughtering the cow, or the men, you know, sometimes we just call them obaba. It's more respectful than saying amadoda. Okay, if you're talking about men that are your elderly men. Okay, so obaba bahlinza inkomo. All right, and then here's another one. Uyakwazi yini ukuhlinza imbuzi? The question. Uyakwazi yini ukuhlinza imbuzi? So what it means is, do you know how to slaughter a goat? So one answer would be, yebo ngiyakwazi ukuhlinza imbuzi. Yes, I know how to slaughter a goat. Or, hatch, angikaze ngihlinze imbuzi. No, I've never slaughtered a goat. Angikaze ngihlinze imbuzi. All right, so this is all I have for you for this sound. I hope it makes sense. I hope you're able to pronounce it. So yes, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.